In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Zoom integration with Monday.com. By the end, you'll know how to find the Zoom app in the marketplace, add it to the right place in your account, and apply a ready-made template so you can start using it immediately. Begin on your Monday.com homepage. From the top navigation bar, look for the small puzzle piece icon. That icon opens the apps marketplace, where you can install integrations and extensions. Click it to open the marketplace. Once you're in the marketplace, you can browse categories, but the quickest route is to use the search bar. Type Zoom into the search. In the results, select the Zoom listing. You'll notice it's a built-in integration published by Monday.com, which means it's officially supported and maintained, so you can install it with confidence. On the Zoom app page, choose Use App. You'll be asked where to install it. Select the workspace where you want this integration to live. Picking the right workspace helps keep permissions, boards, and teammates organized. After that, choose the specific board that will use the Zoom integration. If you manage multiple boards, think about where creating meetings or syncing meeting details will be the most helpful and select that board. Then confirm by clicking Add App. Once the app has been added, you'll be guided to choose a template. A template is a pre-configured setup that includes recommended integration recipes and any board columns needed for Zoom, like a place to store meeting links or statuses. Templates are a great starting point because they save time and reduce setup mistakes. Choose the template that best matches your workflow. If you're unsure, start with the default option. You can always tweak or expand later as your process evolves. Click Use Template to apply it to your board. Monday.com will add the pre-built configuration so the Zoom integration is ready to work with your items. At this stage, you may see prompts later to connect or authorize your Zoom account the first time an automation runs. That's normal and ensures secure access. If you don't see the Marketplace or the Use App button, your account may require admin approval to install apps, so check with your administrator. That's the full setup. You open the Marketplace from your Monday.com home, search for Zoom, selected the official app, used the app, chose the correct workspace and board, added the app, picked a template, and applied it. With the Zoom integration now in place, you're ready to streamline scheduling and keep meeting details right where your team works.